Hey everybody, Jake and Brenda here, Our Sweet Adventures.
Hello.
Today we're going to be making
An Italian casserole. Let's get started.
Let's go.
Alright, here we are. I'm going to show you what we're going to put in here. Got some Philadelphia cream cheese, a little over 4 ounces. We have Italian style blend shredded cheese, Worcestershire, peppercorn, sea salt, and then we have the Parmesan and Romano cheese there. We've got seasonings, basil, Italian, oregano, and garlic. And we have breadcrumbs, parsley flakes, and our favorite is the basil, oregano, garlic, and sea salt. Some marinara sauce. And we got Jimmy Dean maple pork sausage. And then here I went ahead and did a small onion and a small green pepper. And we're going to incorporate all of that into this, which is about a pound and a half of hamburger, and then up 16 ounces of the Jimmy Dean sausage. So once this is all fried up and ready to go, we'll come back. Okay, so we are now going to put the Philadelphia cream cheese in here. As you can see, the hamburger and the sausage. And then I did go ahead and add the peppers and onion to get softened up, huh?
Get that cooking.
Yep. All right, and then I also added an egg that we're gonna add an egg. I didn't have that out before, but I decided I thought I might like to do that. Okay.
It just comes right off there.
Oh yeah, easy peasy.
Okay.
So, anyway, this is like one of those trying this out, seeing how it's going to go recipes. We've never, we're just throwing this together is what I guess I'm trying to say. Throwing it together, seeing how it comes out. And that's kind of the fun of it, though. Making something that you don't even have a recipe for.
Just taste test.
Oh yeah. Okay. And then we'll let that kind of melt in there. And I do have this egg, but I'm going to wait. I'm going to go ahead and put some garlic in it.
Okay. It's
actually minced garlic. And let's just do this other side.
Yeah.
There we go. So, I love the flavors of sausage and hamburger together. Something about that. Now, a lot of people don't care for sausage, and that's fine. You could simply make this without sausage. Just have like 2 pounds of hamburger to do it.
So you have the oregano, the
basil, the Italian seasoning,
okay,
and the minced garlic. Put some pepper in there. Just this is different kind of sea salt that we got this time too.
Normally
we like
it's
to go ahead.
Pink Himalayan salt, but it's something different flavor. We thought I'd give this a try.
And I'm gonna wait with this. Oh yeah, parsley. Gotta have some parsley. Woo!
Hey, there's some parsley.
Well, you know. And like I said before too, I don't necessarily always measure everything, as you can see. Because sometimes when there's a recipe and you do maybe a half a teaspoon or something like that, or a teaspoon, it just like, after I start to eat it, it's like, wait a minute, that would have been, put some more in there. I'm all about seasonings, I guess. Just flavoring the food. Okay, get that stirred up a little bit. We do have this that we always use. So
Yeah,
that's our
use that on
go-to always.
everything,
Yeah.
yeah.
I know it has some of the same that we just already put in there, but that's just what we do.
yeah.
Okay. Get that.
Smells good
Oh,
already.
it does. And that's what I'm talking about. All those seasonings. That's what makes it smell and taste good. A little bit of Worcestershire. There again, I'm not measuring.
About that much?
Yeah, about, you know, about
Okay.
that much. Yeah.
Okay.
And I am going to put a little bit of the Italian style blend cheese in the actual casserole, and then we will, after it bakes, I think it's for, we're going to go about 40 minutes, and at like 400-degree oven. And then about the last, no, when it comes out, then we will
Put the cheese on it.
put the cheese, some cheese on it in there. So I'm gonna go ahead, put the egg in there. Stir that around. That'll kind of help get pull things together. Okay. Then we're gonna go ahead and put some Italian style breadcrumbs in there. Just for a little more flavor. There again, not measuring, not a whole lot, but some. And it's funny because then after you've done these, it's like, oh, I wish I would have put more of that in there or something like that. But and this, Parmesan. We're gonna just go ahead, and I'm not gonna use any more of that. So that was about like that full, maybe a cup, 3/4 of a cup. Okay, that mixed up. And you'll have to let us know in the comments if you tried it and what your thoughts were. And we'd also like to hear where you're
Watching from.
yeah. Ooh, gosh, that looks yummy. I'm thinking.
It's ready to
Oh,
go.
scare ya?
Gee,
I know.
looks like it's ready to go right now.
Well, I'm gonna pour probably about, well, we'll see. As I stir it up, as I pour and we stir it up, we'll see.
Yeah.
So that's about half. I'm gonna put a little of the Italian style blend of cheese. Like that. And you know us, we love our cheese, so there we go. And what we'll do is probably let this simmer a little bit together, just so I guess the flavors are going to infuse in the oven too, as far as that goes. I like infusing the flavors. But about ready to just go ahead and put it in the pan. Let's turn that off. I think we probably need maybe a little more sauce, I'm thinking.
Yeah.
Don't want it to be too dry either. And I think what we'll do, we were going to do 40 minutes, but I think what we'll do is we'll wait, or not wait, we will check it at 30 minutes. Because everything is, you know, everything is already
Basically
cooked.
Yeah.
So I don't think it has to be in there that long.
No.
What do you think? Should I just go ahead and
Yeah.
Put the rest of that in there. There's not much left in there.
Yeah.
And then you've always got to try to find something else to make to use it up if you don't, I guess, huh? All right, that's good. And let us know what your favorite food is. Like, is it casseroles? Is it bakes? Or my favorite course is sweets. But
Yeah, we do a lot of those videos.
yeah, we got another one coming up. So okay, so this is going to be fun.
Okay.
Actually, I'm going to get a spoon.
All right.
And or ladle per se, spoon, ladle, and I'm gonna put it in there that way because this is a super huge pan. And we probably could have put this in a 9x9 pan, actually.
Yeah, good. Well, I don't know. We'll see.
That's why I don't think it's gonna need to cook all that long.
No, it's not.
Oopsie. We might even check it at 20 minutes.
You'd be good with this is some garlic bread.
Ooh, yes. And if you don't have any, garlic bread or toast or whatever, you can make your own with just plain bread and...
Yeah, we just butter the bread, put some garlic salt on, and stick it in the microwave for about 30 seconds. It's awesome.
All right, well, it's I'm
good.
glad we didn't have a smaller pan. Just it started to look like that, but nope.
Yeah.
And a lot of people don't like the casseroles or things like that, but I kind of grew up on that. My mom worked and they were sometimes easier than making a big old meal. And it was just the three of us because my brothers and my sister were already married and out of the house, so I was kind of, the baby of the family and didn't come along till later. Always save the best for last, right?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, shit. That's what I always tease my siblings about. Saving, Mom and Dad saved the best for last. I'm going to get that off there. It's going to burn on there. All right. We are ready for the oven.
Just preheated.
Yep, to 400 like we said. Whew. A little hot. Okay. In she goes. And we'll put the timer on for, I'm going to go with 20 minutes. And we're going to check it. And if it's done, well, then we'll let you know. All right, here we are. 20 minutes later. And it's a bubbling. It's looking good. Real good. Well, you know what? I'm going to move that back a little bit for one thing. And I think I might just sprinkle some of this on top of here. Very carefully.
It's not going to take this long to melt down in there.
Oh no, maybe not even 5 minutes, probably. I have a bad habit of burning myself, and I really don't want to do that.
No.
So. Might not be too even, but it is good enough. All right. Back in she goes.
for about 5 minutes, huh?
Yes, and then
All
we'll
right.
return.
We will get. Okay, we just took it out of the oven. Looking pretty good.
Yeah, it's
but
nice and
you can see it's still a little warm, but man, it looks good.
still bubbling.
So we're going to let it cool just a little bit
Yep.
before we give it the taste test. So we'll get right back at you. Okay, time for the taste test. It has cooled down. So check it out here. Very good.
Very hot.
It's going to be our dinner. With a little garlic bread. This is going to be excellent. I'm going to, well, rise rate from 1 to 5. Honestly, I'm going to go a 4. Yep. I'm going a 4. I do a lot of 4s. I saved a 5 for perfect, you know. But it's really good, so.
It is good. I would definitely make it again.
Yeah.
No doubt.
Yeah.
I am going to agree with you, 4.
Yeah.
But
So.
I always know what you're going to say.
Yeah. But it's tasty.
It is very tasty, and it'll be even good with garlic bread.
Yeah. So.
All right.
Okay.
Well, remember to like, share, and subscribe. And
Let us know where you're watching from. And we're doing short videos in between the full videos. So once a week we'll do a short, either animation or out and about shorts. I don't know.
yeah, just different shorts.
Yeah.
So check them out.
They're kind of fun to do. So all right.
All right.
Well,
Thanks, guys.
you bet. See you
Till
later.
next time. Bye.